Welcome to today's AG Squared episode. Today we'll talk about HVAC filters. These air filters are essential components in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, as well as a critical line of defense for the air quality you breathe in. Now let's take a closer look at a clean filter. Notice that it's essentially a cardboard frame that holds together some kind of fiberglass, pleated paper, or cloth. The purpose of this material is to let clean air through while catching and preventing other particles from going through, such as dust and dirt, pollen, mold spores, fibers and lint, pet dander, bacteria, and microorganisms. Remember, if you have a dirty filter that hasn't gotten replaced past its prescribed time of life, then you'll be harming two things. One is yourself, but also your HVAC, as it will strain the system. If prolonged to this, it could lead to expensive issues down the line, and ultimately reducing the life that your HVAC may have. And trust me, those are not cheap to replace. So here I am at Home Depot. There are two things to consider when buying an air filter. First is the MERV rating. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, which is a number between 1 and 16. You'll notice here at Home Depot, it even gives you a color coding chart that shows that MERV ratings 1 through 5 are basic filtration. They're low cost. 6 to 8 are good for residential filters. They're typically pleated, cloth, or paper. MERV 9 to 12 are mid-range quality, which can capture small particles. And MERV 13 to 16 filters are high efficiency filters, which can remove tiny particulates. The second factor to consider is the size. These are measured based on length, width, and depth. The DIY pro tip of the day for you. At Home Depot, there's a particular organization layout for air filters. The filters with the highest rating are at the top. And as you go down, the MERV rating does go down as well. The filter's dimensions increase from left to right, where starting on left, you'll have the smallest ones, increasing in size as you move to the right. For our system, we'll be needing this size, and I like to buy the 3-pack to get a better value for my dollar. Okay, we're now going to change our air filter. Before replacing, be sure to turn off your system by changing the temperature setting. Once turned off, go ahead and find where your air filter panel is. This will typically be near the base of the HVAC and will have a cover that you can open. These differ in style, but it'll come natural when opening it. Once opened, remove the old filter. That's what a 3-month air filter of use looks like. Imagine how bad and disgusting this would be if it was left past the recommended duration. To install the new filter, make sure to have the arrow pointing towards the system, which is the way that air will flow typically into it. Once it's inside, put back the cover to create an air seal, and that's all there is to it. I set a recurring Google Calendar to remind myself to replace the air filter every 3 months. But find a reminder system that works best for you. So remember, an air filter is the key to a happier you due to health reasons and due to financial reasons, as filters help your HVAC system operate more efficiently and also last longer. Choose a MERV rating that suits you. If you have allergies or are sensitive to poor air quality, choose a higher rating. If you found this content informative, please consider liking or sharing it. And if you are interested in more content around DIY projects, real estate, finance, or technology, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.